Everyone, this is Save Gray the Heart, and today I'm sharing my retreat box from Altenew. So this is a collab with Amy Tangerine. So you had two options with the box. So this is a virtual retreat. You could buy a more basic box, or you can get the, I guess, I don't know, the more deluxe box. So it has a few more things in it. I have the deluxe box here, and I can't even remember when the classes are going to be. But of course you could do these at your leisure, and they have like an Altenew classroom. I think that's where they're going to be held. So let's get into the box. So it comes in this pretty polka dotted box, which I kind of destroyed. I rarely keep the boxes. Maybe I should, but I rarely do. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out everything, and then I'm going to put everything back because I do like to keep everything in the box. This is $179.99, I believe. There's like early bird discount and, you know, a bunch of other stuff. But anyway, this is the deluxe kit. So you could buy a more basic kit. I can't remember the price of the more basic kit, so, you know, it's hard to say. I don't know, it's up with my lighting. It's just so weird how my lighting has just been so kind of not that great lately. I don't know. So anyway, it's kind of like getting to be, well, I don't know, it's sunny outside, so I don't know. Anyway, we'll start with the watercolor palette. So this is 8.5 by 11. It says it's made from 2 millimeters thick polypropylene and designed to be used with Altenew watercolor paint, or crisp dye ink, or any other water-based media. So it's just like a board, I guess, that you can mix paint on. So we got that. Then we did get some card bases. There are, sorry, things are sliding down, 12 A2 size card bases in here. And then we did get some watercolor cardstock, so, or watercolor paper that we're going to probably use in the class. We got a fine liner pen set. So it's 3 fine liner pens and 1 brush pen. It says archival, light, fast, and waterproof. I am excited about these because these are the sorts of things I do use a lot. I'm excited about the mini blending brushes because eventually I'll have like full sets of these suckers. So these are really fun. They're great for the stenciling in like small places, like little small stencil areas. So we did get a set of those. We did get some, are these just watercolor pencil pens? I have no idea. But this is Tahitian Terrace dual tip pens. Maybe they're just pens. I don't really know. I've never like used their pens, but kind of like their palette and everything of how they, you know. So these are pretty cool. I mean, I don't know if I have a watercolor brush close by. I can't see one close by, but I'll spray it with this like mist. See if anything happens to it. Does it do anything? Maybe. We'll have to see. But anyway, the pens are, they're pretty color, and they're dual tip. So we did get these in this Tahitian Terrace color. So that came in our kit. And I guess I'll find out what we're going to do. Maybe we're just coloring in with them. That'd be, you know, fine too. So there's those. And then we got a full palette of the artist's watercolor. And so let's open this up because I don't know if I have to undo everything and set it up, but so these are the colors. They're very pretty. So let's open this sucker up. This is one of those where I'm going to probably tear this box because it's just going to come out anyways. Jeez, what the heck? Okay, so sometimes the packaging can be a PETA. Here we go. So, I love the palette and the color. It's really beautiful. It is big and it is heavy. So So yeah, I'm glad that I opened this up, because you have to, you know, undo all of your colors, right? And then I usually like to take a piece of like paper and swatch all of them and label them so I know like what color everything is. So I'm definitely going to do that. But this came in our kit, and look how many colors you get. This watercolor paint. So that is amazing. Throw this away. So I'm glad. I'm gonna leave that one out because I'm gonna swatch that and everything before I put it away. Or I don't know, I should say put it away, but I'm only putting it away. I'm just gonna be putting it in a place for when I do a class. So let's see. We got this, which is a decorative motifs stamp set, and I mean, I'm sure that there's probably stuff that goes with this. I'll have to look and see if there's things that go like with this. But I can see you wanting to color these in, but I don't know. So we're getting that. And then a watercolor brush. And then we got this stamp set, which is the Amy Tangerine Shine Bright. And then the coordinating, I guess they coordinate. Do they coordinate? Hey Beautiful. This is Shine. I'm not really sure. Oh, Shine Bright and Shine Bright, I think. Okay. Anyway, I think they go together. I hope they do. Oh yeah, I think they do. So this is what I got in this kit, and I can't wait till the class. I think it's going to be really fun with Amy Tangerine. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Create the Hearts.